Okay, you guys, back with another video. I'm about to prepare my asparagus. And I cut, let's see if you can see. Maybe that's a little better. I cut my asparagus like in an angle. Okay. I already washed and rinsed my asparagus off. Okay. You want to cut them. You don't want these hard pieces on here. That's trash. Okay. So that's my asparagus. Okay. What I do now in my asparagus, I sprinkle a little olive oil on here. Okay. 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 Then once you sprinkle, you roll them out, roll them around, so they can get all coated. Okay. I love olive oil. Okay. Make sure they're all coated in the olive oil. Okay. And I take a little garlic powder. And I sprinkle. And once again, toss. And add a little. Now you don't have to add this seasoning. I just lightly season. Lightly season, give the garlic taste. Just a little. Sorry about that, guys. Okay. That's just a message from my job, so they will let us know about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning if there's any more power outage that's affecting the schools. 5 a.m. Really? Okay. So I have my garlic salt, little garlic powder, and of course my olive oil. So I want to put just a little black pepper. I just saw it somewhere. Where'd my black pepper go? Here we go. Here. Just a little black pepper. Pop, 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 pop. That's about it. Okay. So what I like to do with mine, guys, I like to add just a little butter on it. Just a little butter. Okay. And some people like to squeeze a little lemon on theirs. I do not. Okay, and I just got an aluminum pan, and that's it, guys. And it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, so I thank you guys for watching. And this is how Sue make her asparagus, the way how she like it. Hey, and there it is. Thank you guys. I love you so much. Bye-bye now.